Hey guys, welcome back to Newlook. I'm back with another natural homemade remedy. Everyone likes the long hair, beautiful hair, but no one likes the unwanted hair. This unwanted hair will be like on jaw line, counter line, upper lip and the back of the neck and some parts of hands and legs too. We don't like those unwanted hair. We also don't like that waxing part because it is very painful. Now I'm going to show a DIY how to remove this hair permanently at home. By this hair grows everywhere except the eyeballs and fingernails. Hairy skin is not a welcoming sign of an attractive personality. Of course, it ruins your appearance. It prevents wearing beautiful attires that flaunt, for instance skirts, sleeveless dresses, etc. The facial hair at the counter line, cheek line, upper lip, hair on the neck, excessive or visible hair on the hands and legs makes it very obvious. It is not possible to cover the facial hair with the makeup completely. Although the growth of unwanted hair is closely associated with the hormone imbalance, you can easily remove this unwanted hair at home. Remove this unwanted hair at home with easy ingredients like this gram flour, coconut oil and some rose water. By using this rose water, coconut oil and gram flour, now I am going to show how to prepare that mask removes unwanted hair. For this, take a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of this basin powder. You can add more if you have unwanted hair at all parts of your body. I've taken 1 tablespoon of this gram flour and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of rose water. After mixing this, just take a brush and apply here. See, I have small amount of hair on my hands, so I am applying like this. Apply in the direction of the hair growth like this. Gram flour helps a lot to remove this unwanted hair because this gram flour will get dry instantly on your skin, and after getting dry, just peel this mask in the opposite direction of the hair growth, I mean from down to up. Please be careful while removing this because it will get dry and it will give a little pain because it will get dry and all the skin will come off. If you are getting dry, just peel it off in the opposite direction of the hair growth. This gram flour will get dry instantly and thereby it helps to remove this unwanted hair from your body. After getting dry, just peel it off in the opposite direction. Please be careful while removing this because it will give a little bit pain while removing this mask. So that's it guys. Very important and natural remedy to get rid of all this unwanted hair from your skin. But keep a note that there is no permanent solution for any kind of treatment. If you use this pack also, the hair will regrow. If you take any wax or laser treatment also, the hair will regrow after some months. But this is very natural ingredients we have used here, and those LASIK treatments will damage your skin if you take those, and this waxing is very painful. So opt these natural ingredients to remove your unwanted hair. That's it for now guys. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to Newlook.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.